The focus of the government is on funding of upgradation of schools and health infrastructure, along with agriculture-specific focus on agri-infrastructure. I mean, these are the three areas where you're seeing Nadu Nedu come in a very big way. There's a huge amount of transformation what is taking place, where the schools are being transformed, where specific address is being made to improve the infrastructure in schools, English medium being brought into the schools, CBSE now being brought into schools, where government schools are no longer burden to the society, but in fact children are coming forward and moving into government schools when compared to private schools, considering it as a privilege. That is the kind of movement that we are bringing about in these schools. In the first phase, we have tackled 15,650 schools. Going forward in the second phase, we are trying to tackle 16,000 and odd schools in the second phase, where school infrastructure is taking a huge upliftment. Similarly, the health infrastructure also, because of the fact that we are not blessed with tier 1 cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai, there is a shortfall in specialized hospital care. So to address that, we are going in a very aggressive, we're going very aggressively to uplift the existing infrastructure to national standards, starting from village clinics at the village level, to upgradation of PHCs, to upgradation of CHCs, to upgradation of area hospitals, to upgradation of the existing teaching hospitals and medical colleges, and also adding 16 more teaching hospitals and medical colleges to the system, so as to make sure that super specialty hospitals and availability of doctors are available at the parliament level itself. So that is also another important aspect where we seek your support and help. And agriculture also is one area where we brought in a huge transformation, starting with RBKs, Raitu Bharosa Kendras, wherein we've brought in more than 10,000 of these RBKs in every village. So now every village more or less has an RBK. Every 2,000 population village has got an RBK, Raitu Bharosa Kendra, located right in the village, where the farmer is handheld and supported right from giving of quality certified seed to hand-holding them when it comes to selling of his crop. E-cropping is now the buzzword in these RBKs. Transparency is the buzzword in these RBKs. Quality is quality of seed, fertilizers, and pesticides. Supply of these items, quality guaranteed items, is also the buzzword in these RBKs. So now with these RBKs, we are moving further to improve the agri infrastructure at the village level, where primary processing, assaying equipment, construction of godowns, construction of cold rooms is also contemplated at the village level. So this is a huge, and also secondary food processing units also coming up at every parliament level. So all these are being contemplated, which requires a lot of your support, where agri infrastructure would be taking a facelift from what we are to what we would be tomorrow. So having spoken about these three areas, the other important area wherein in order to bring about sustainable growth, we are focusing on women empowerment, and for this we are focusing on consistently supporting the same women consistently for 4 years, so that their lives actually change. Rather than supporting one person in 1 year, one go, and then leaving them to their destiny, wherein the results would never be a reality. So having considered that, we are consistently supporting the same person consistently for 4 years via Cheyuta program and through Asara program, so that there is a real upliftment of women what can take place. And similarly, in order to motivate the women to send their children to schools, first time an attempt has been made to motivate mothers so that children are not taken to work with them, and rather they are admitted into the schools. And for that, Ammavadi program has been launched. So these are the three major programs of real upliftment of women, what is taking place, for which we also need your support.